Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. This is me, Imam Hussain. Right now, I am in the bridge of Noli. So now where has a water? Water flood is one of the blessing thing of my village. That's why I am here. And if you look left hand side and right hand side and where just water flowed, and this is a seasonal water flooding, and which is really blessing for our this village, for our this town. So if you're watching this video, look at the view of the scenario, and here is a road, and this is the very road, and wire has just water beside the road, and I am feeling really happy to say, and this is my village beauty of the town of the district. And here you can see, and if you look far away from me, and thousands of acre just empty, just for water flowing, and which is really attracted people, and which is really people feel really happy. And if you're watching this video, many of people are coming here just for capturing photo, just for making video. And in this road, and in this road, not only for famous for our photo capturing, this is famous for the road of the street, because this is our road and where we are expressing ourselves. And if you didn't subscribe this channel, and if you didn't like this video, like and comment and share. Don't forget to do this, because and I am here to talk about with you slow English, and where I will share with you my natural rhythm, and where I will share with you and what is really need to know about for English improvement. Hope you understand what I want to say. And if you are watching this video, if you didn't if you didn't check out my another video, check out my another video. And I have done many of types of video, and where and I will share my natural rhythm, natural fluency of English for learning, for becoming inspired of learning English. So thank you so much. See you for the another one. And before finishing this video, look at this, and we are making this video from on the way, and this is really busy road. And if somebody comes here on this road, definitely don't forget to say or take safety, because safety is first, life is important, and then everything. So have you another video, and I will come again later inshallah for today's lesson, and I will go to the inshallah. So thank you and have a nice day. Okay, chalo. Bye. Okay.